Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a delicious, healthy soup that will help you lose weight? You are in the right place. This vegetable weight loss soup is perfect for vegetarians and is sealed with flavor, and it's so easy to make. Watch the video and give it a try today. A big bowl of this veggie-packed minestrone will leave you satisfied for hours without consuming a lot of calories, which is helpful when trying to lose weight. It's an easy way to boost your vegetable servings for the day, something all of us could benefit from. Top with a dollop of pesto before devouring this delicious vegetable soup, and consider serving with a hunk of toasted whole wheat bread to help round out the meal. Here is a list of ingredients that you need to prepare before we proceed. Please stop the screen to note them carefully. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add onion, carrot, celery, green beans, and garlic. Cook, stirring frequently until the vegetables begin to soften, about 10 minutes. Step 2. Add broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to a simmer and cook, stirring occasionally, until the vegetables are soft, about 10 minutes more. Step 3. Add white beans, kale, zucchini, tomatoes, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Increase heat to return to a simmer. Cook until the zucchini and kale have softened, about 10 minutes. Step 4. Top each serving of soup with 1 teaspoon pesto. Okay, you have just completed the basic steps to cook vegetable weight loss soup quite simply. Soup and weight loss diets go hand in hand. People who eat soup tend to weigh less. Why? One theory is that eating foods high in volume and low in calories, such as brothy soups, can increase your sense of satisfaction. No matter what weight loss plan you follow, soup makes a great addition. Why eat soup to lose weight? Check out the top 5 benefits of soup. 1. Soup as filling. Due to its high water content, soup is low in energy density, meaning it is lower in calories compared to other foods of the same weight. Choosing low-energy dense foods can help you decrease calorie intake while maintaining satisfaction. 2. Soup can be nutrient-packed. You can load your soup with vegetables, beans, and lean protein. Another benefit of soup is that you may find it is easier to fit in more vegetable servings by sipping soup than eating a large salad. 3. The soup tastes good. With so many soup varieties, you could eat soup every day and never be bored. Soups fit in with nearly every type of cuisine and diet plan. 4. Soup is convenient. It doesn't get any easier than canned soup. Having a handy, go-to option like soup means you will be less tempted to grab takeout. Soup makes a satisfying snack, too. 5. Soup slows down your eating and engages your senses. It takes time to eat soup, which allows your brain to receive fullness cues. Soup is warm, fragrant, and comforting. Okay, I've just shared with you how to cook vegetable weight loss soup and its benefits for your weight loss process. I hope this video will help you a lot. You deserve great results with daily efforts. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get all the newest update videos. Bye and see you in the next video.